Where are you in terms of your expectations for the upcoming negotiations? Do you have a timeline? Are they going to be in October? Are the two sides getting their agendas together with the hopes that there will be real progress made?
All right. Well, these are important questions. Look, what I can tell you is this. The phone call night before last between Secretary Mnuchin and Ambassador Lighthizer and Vice Premier Liu He went very well. That's important. They have decided now the deputies level will continue in Washington later this month. And from that deputies level meeting will come an agenda and an outline so that the principals will meet in early October. I think this is terribly important. I know we've had additional tariffs. President Trump is a very tough negotiator, as I think we all know. But the phone lines have been open during this period, and the negotiations are proceeding. I've said many times we still expected them to come over here in late September. The principals will meet in early October. The deputies will meet in a couple of weeks. So I can't predict an outcome. I'm not here to do that. All I'm saying is the talks are continuing. You might say they're now going to heat up when the Chinese team comes here. That's a very positive development.
Okay. Always difficult to figure out what will happen after that. Nobody's expecting you're going to obviously reach some sort of agreement in the near term, Larry.
David, I don't want to predict. I've learned in this game. I've participated in many of these meetings. And, of course, we're all part of the principals trade team that meets with the president every week. I don't want to predict anything. I'm just saying it's a good thing that they're coming here and tempers are calmer now. We're engaged in very important discussions across the board, whether it's agriculture or IP or tech transfer or cloud or cyber hacking or trade barriers. We'll see what happens. I mean, on this one, this is the first face-to-face meeting now in several months. We would love to go back to where we were in May, where we were getting kind of close to an agreement, maybe 90% of the way. Right. But I don't want to predict. I'm just saying I think it's very positive that we negotiate. And it may well be that something positive comes out of that. Maybe not, but maybe so. President Trump himself continues to say, we will make a deal as long as it's a good deal for the United States workforce and the economy. And the president himself believes China wants to make a deal because they are not doing well. They are not doing well right now. And I think they're going to need some help, and trade might improve their economy. But, we will see. No forecast from me.
Understood.
The Kudlow axiom, better to talk than not to talk.